Ujjayi Pranayama gives your breath a steady tone and a clear direction. It slightly narrows your throat so that your breath moves with more control. In Ujjayi Pranayama, we practice on exhalation so that you understand the technique without any strain. In Ujjayi Pranayama, you create an inner sound like a whisper by contracting your throat. To understand this technique, bring your index finger on the pit of your throat. Now imagine that there is a mirror in front of you. Now inhale deeply. Exhale with a ha sound as if you are fogging the mirror. Feel the constriction on your throat. Now close your mouth. You're going to create the same whispering sound on your throat by exhaling through the nose. This is Ujjayi Pranayama. Close your eyes. Feel your body well grounded on the mat. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, chin slightly down. Your hands are relaxed on your knees. Now, focus on your normal breathing. Feel the movement of your abdomen and your chest as you focus on your breath. Gently bring your attention to your heart and feel connected within. We begin the practice by bringing the index finger on your throat. Now inhale naturally. Exhale attention on your throat with a soft Ujjayi whisper. Again inhale normally. Exhale, focus on your throat, make a soft sound as you exhale. Inhale naturally. Exhale, Ujjayi, keep the throat soft. You may also notice the gentle contraction of your abdomen as you exhale. Inhale comfortably. Exhale with the same gentle inner sound. Continue. Inhale gently. Exhale, Ujjayi, making it light. The sound should be heard only by you. Again, inhale, focus on your breath. Exhale, the natural whispering sound as you're focusing on your abdomen. Last one round, inhale naturally. Exhale, Ujjayi, making it light and soft and smooth. Bring your hand down. Return to your natural breathing. Let the throat relax. Notice the calmness that begins to spread. Bring your hands in Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. Rub your both palms. Keep the base of your palm over your eyes. Gently bring it down with a few blinks. Open your eyes and look at your palm with a beautiful smile on your face. As you get familiar with this technique, Ujjayi can be done on both the inhale and exhale. But the beginning with the exhale makes it simple, safe, and easy to understand.